Hey Jammers, what's up? And today we're going to be checking out these awesome spikes. So I logged on, I looked at my news, and bam! Wild Weekend Spike Sale. We heard you like spikes, so all this weekend it's time for a spectacular spike sale. From Thursday to Sunday, you can go to the diamond shop and find 4 brand new spikes, the likes of which have never been seen before. And if you remember to log in each day, there will be a different rare spike available in the shop on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Isn't that awesome? So today, I got this one, but I just earlier, before I started recording, I traded one of these for this. So this one must have been yesterday. So I have to make sure to log in. But today, I am going to be giving away all the spikes in the shop. Now, unfortunately, since I only have one of these, I don't really want to give it away. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but one lucky winner will get to have all these 5 spikes. Now, to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and if you are already subscribed, you just have to leave a comment. But if you're not, please subscribe and leave a comment. The comment should be your username. And tomorrow I will pick the lucky winner. So, let's try, see, I have them. So, there's a donut spike collar, the lava spike collar, the Zeo spike collar, the mirror spike collar, and the rare striped spike collar. So, let's check these out in the diamond shop. Now, since I know you've already seen them, but let's just check them out anyways. Now, I think I'm going to, I didn't mean to do that, sorry. If nobody enters my giveaway, I'm going to give them to a non-member, since non-members can't buy these, unfortunately, because they're only members. But look at them. These are so awesome, aren't they? Their inspiration for this one was a mystical spike collar, I believe. But anyways, these are so awesome, you know? Like, look, it says it doesn't even say days because that's only for today. So, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys that because that seems so awesome. But let's check out, sorry guys, I mean check out the other updates. So I'm gonna go on my den where it's not that crowded. There is Wild Weekend Make Some Music. It's time to party in celebration of the Make Music Day on June 21st, which was yesterday. The jam session will be going nearly all weekend long. At this fun party, you can find jam innovations rooms to get your den decked out like a proper recording studio. So go grab your buddies and make some noise with these new items that are only available this Thursday to Sunday. The Sky Kingdom is now back, and guess what? Coming soon, we are going to be having special marked eagles, which is pretty awesome, am I right? Okay, but as I said, the jam session is probably going to be going on all weekend long. So let's head to it and look at some of the new items that they have. So this is in shop. Ooh. Okay, so that's the golden stuff. And let's look over here. Whoa! Oh my god. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I'm going to have to buy all of this. It's only all one, so... Oh, wait, we can change the colors? Can we make it purple? No, there's no purple. Dang it. So, wait a second. We have to look for all the same... How about we do the... Yeah, let's... Wait. I'm just looking at all the colors. Okay, so let's go... Oh, I meant to buy it. Okay, so let's go with original color for most of them, except for, I think, the guitar, or I think that's what it is called. Epic, oh my god, I just made a fool of myself. I meant keyboard. Okay, so we have to change the color, and we're gonna buy it. Oh, I didn't mean. Oh, wait, that color fits. Okay. So wait, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 26. Okay, so I bought everyone. But isn't this like so awesome, guys? It's just, I can't even. It's so amazing. Oh, look, wait a second. Somebody says, please trade me Spike. Oh. I know that I said I'd probably be nice, but like, for a plushie. No, not really. I don't really want to trade away a Spike for that. Especially when I'm doing a giveaway. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that cool and awesome update. And make sure to tune in tomorrow, because tomorrow is when the lucky winner gets picked. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye!